Check out this hydraulic KVT recorder in action. Use this for all your mechanical needs. Here's one way to draw a circle which you've probably never seen before. 2 screws, an angle, and you've got the perfect circle. Here's a lawn edger for all your grass cutting needs. Easy to do and makes your garden look a whole lot better. A hammer drill not only speeds up the job, it's also very satisfying to look at. Shoulder dollies are the best thing you could buy if you're moving house and need to move around heavy appliances and furniture. An ingenious way to crush your cans you don't need anymore in a fast and environmentally clean way. Have you ever wondered how cookie cutters are actually made? Here's a video showing you the exact process. Do you ever wonder if the guys who operate these cranes are good at those little crane games where you pick up the plush animals? I certainly think so. If you don't have measuring tape and a knife by your side, consider using this tool for your working needs. The Bosch Gus 12-volt 300 in all its beauty. The Ferrari in the box cutter business. The quickest cloth dryer you will ever see. This gate looks cool, but I wonder if there'll be any security issues for that house since the wheels aren't dug into the ground. Is this how Moses created the path for himself to cross the ocean? We'll never know. A DeWalt Extreme drill in action. It seems to be unbreakable. Here's a handyman's way to open a bottle. This bench can turn into a table. Using an impact screwdriver to remove a stubborn screw which just doesn't want to come out. Here's a funny prank to lift up your mood. The all-new PVC pipe shear tool. Watch your fingers when using this, though. Here's a way to turn a useless barrel into something a little more useful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.